Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit your photo using Nano Banana AI for free. Okay, let's get into it, guys. If you want to use Nano Banana, you need to open up Gemini. You can open up the Gemini app or you can visit gemini.google.com. And Nano Banana is a new feature on Gemini, and this feature will let you edit your image. For example, you can change your background, and then you can change your hair, change your style or anything. You can ask the AI to edit anything for your photo, and then here you can choose the tools, and then you can choose create image. Okay, and then you can upload the image that you want to edit to Gemini, and I'm going to choose, for example, this image, and I'm going to ask the AI to change the color of the hair. So I'm going to change the hair to red, for example. Oops, sorry guys. To red like this, and then you can click on the submit icon, or you can enter your prompt. Okay, and this is the original photo, and then you just need to wait for a moment, guys. And you can also ask the AI to remove the background of your photo, and you can change the background. For example, you want to add another background like scenery, beach, or anything. Okay, and this is the result. You can also change the color of your clothes if you want. Just add the prompt and the AI will do for you. And most importantly, it's free. Okay guys, and that's all the way to edit your photo using Nano Banana AI for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!